Okay, so this is part of the regression pieces, particularly for the squat, but also would apply to the deadlift as well and other movements. In fact, it's the beginning and end of every movement you're going to make, and it's creating an isometric tightness or contraction, or I would say terminal extension of all the major fascial and joint points and muscles for that matter. Okay, so Andrew, what I want you to do to get the feeling here is stand with your feet a little closer together. I want you to screw your feet into the ground as if you lifted your arch up. I want you to push your knees back as far as they'll go. I want you to tuck the hips under and squeeze as hard as you can. And then if you want, make a couple of fists here and make the arms long. Extend them nice and long, but close to the body at this particular point too. You feel the tension throughout the whole body? You're trying to actually increase it to a point where it almost starts to shake. So you can squeeze your glutes as hard as you can and tighten the abdominal muscles as hard as you want. Now let's just take that and turn it to the side, and we'll see, same positioning, feet screwed into the ground. You're squeezing the glutes as hard as you can, pull the ribs down a little bit, squeezing the arms, and if you'll notice, everything kind of lines up. So there's that isometric finish and beginning point for all these movement patterns. So let's apply that to a simple hex deadlift. So in you go, and if you set it up correctly and you pull up, you want to finish there, exactly. So knees are fully extended, right? Arches are lifted, hips are fired and squeezing. There's tension and everything lines up down the line. That's where you get the best outcome and advantage from the movement pattern. So isometric load, very important. Perfect.